Alright, so today we got my I don't know if I talked about this earlier. I got a steering wheel for my car because mine was pretty worn out. And yeah, shout out to Carbontastic. Great people to work with. I'll put their Instagram down below. Great people to work with. I'm pretty sure at the moment they only do E36 and E46 steering wheels, but it's I just got it and it's beautiful. I'll walk you along this unboxing real quick. So I apologize in advance for the shaky camera. I'm working with an iPhone here, so box isn't anything special. I mean, they got the nice, Carbontastic like tape all around, very well packaged overall. Then you open it up and this is what you see, which is pretty great if you ask me. Amazing packaging. Just take out all of this greatness. Oh shit. And just make sure we're not leaving anything behind. That's it, throw that aside. And this looks like a bitch to open, so I'll come back when the wheel is opened up. Alright, so once it's been opened, amazing texture. It feels beautiful. The only thing you do have to do is you just throw your old airbag back in here. But we open it up, we got flat bottom, we got M stripe up top. Let me pull it out. Oh my god, this is ridiculous. We got pretty much the rundown. We got the basic buttons because I end up using these a lot. We got the M stripe, we got carbon fiber up top, flat bottom, carbon fiber all around, perforated leather on the sides, and we have M stitching. So overall, the build quality is ridiculously good. I do not have one single complaint so far. Packaging was immaculate. Feels a lot more sturdy and thicker. Back here, I don't know if you can tell, you have like, I guess you could say, what's the word? I don't know. The curvature, curves, whatever, for so that your fingers feel comfortable. I probably sound like an idiot talking about this, but whatever. So yeah,